Hey guys, Max Jeffy here, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today a package has came, so let's see what it is, shall we? Right, feast your eyes on Bobbin Bumblebee. So yeah, I haven't had this game, but very cute design for a box. Here's the front of it and here's the back. Really nice. Let's get it open and see what's inside, shall we? Okay, honey paddle. I think this does need batteries or something. I just need to set this up. Just set the finger. Okay, just give me a minute, but guys. Alright guys, I got it set up, and sorry for cutting the camera like that. It's just yeah, I was trying to put some batteries inside this thing. This thing did come with batteries. I just took them out of this little people wrecking crane, but I will put some new batteries in them soon, because my nan is planning to get more batteries, probably like when we go shopping tomorrow or something. So yeah, so this is a game. So the object is to be the only beekeeper left with at least one honeycomb disc remaining in your honeycomb station. So I think I'm going to be like orange, so yeah. Ready. I don't get why it's not working, but oh my god. Yeah, this is a perfect game for game night. Who agrees with me, guys? And I'm not the only person who's like fingered, but oh crap. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I did it, I won. Oh yeah. Yay, victory. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's how you win the game, to get the your last honey disc. Now this is similar to another game I've heard of called Looping Lure, and yeah, this is a game made by IDL, and it's a very good game. Yeah, even though like you're not really a fan of bees, I mean I'm not really a fan of bees, but this game is like the most brilliant ever. So yeah, that's going to be it for my unboxing on Bobbin Bumblebee. So yeah, bye.